Oh yeah, Thomas, fuck. You the man. You the man, bro. You the man. Bro, that's my space, bro. This my space, man. You know what I see? He was lying down. He was going back up, you know. You gotta keep standing up, you know. What? Nope, you're still vomiting. Whoa, damn, that's a lot, bro. Okay, back up, back up, back up.
That's a lot better though.
Feel a lot more better, yeah? Damn. Okay. Hi, Lauren.